Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai real estate holding companies, so-called. And we've discussed this in other videos. This is a delicate issue in Thailand. Not something, it's very much viewed kind of in a conventional wisdom sense. I hate even using that term, but the popular notion, especially out on the internet, is, oh, you just form a company and then have that company buy a house and then you can live in the house. Yeah, it doesn't really work that way. Insofar as you can have some real problems if you do that, and it's adjudicated that that company is simply being used to circumvent the rules against foreign land ownership in Thailand. And there are clear rules against foreign land ownership here in Thailand. Foreigners are prohibited from owning real estate in Thailand. They're prohibited from owning land. And usage of instruments to circumvent that prohibition can, and I've seen them, be dissolved, and the underlying asset, namely the land, can just be sort of essentially escheated or revoked, and the title revoked back to the state. So the thing to understand about this is there are certain sort of limited subsets of situations where, yes, you might see, oftentimes it involves marriage to a Thai national where, you know, the couple is oftentimes maybe working a business like a shop house business or like a restaurant business, and they may own, you know, the property, and they may live on the property together, but, you know, that Thai national will oftentimes have the majority share of the company, as they would probably need to be in compliance with relevant Thai law across the board. But understand, if that is a very different thing than just, oh, I have this pretextual, this pretensive Thai company that's being used to hold property in it, and I'm using that to, you know, to essentially circumvent Thai law. That can prove to be very problematic in the sense that you can end up, you know, losing everything. So if you're really looking into this, it's really, really very much a good idea to contact a legal professional, gain some insight and guidance into how best to proceed.